So hello folks, we will install now terminal from RoboForex. Here there is the installation file, run as administrator, yes, and settings. For the settings, I look my last installation here and it was here MetaTrader RoboForex. And here RoboForex 8. So MetaTrader RoboForex and RoboForex 8. And this is exactly what I copy here and insert it here, take off the mark and next. It takes short time. The shortcut is already here. This is the shortcut. Finish. It takes a moment. So then it opens. I have this Demo Pro existing account login is 622000119 and my password. So finish. We have to wait until we logged in. We can already close these charts. We don't need them. So now I'm logged in. Everything's fine. Few symbols. Hide all. So indexes. Show and Nasdaq. So we don't need these symbols, hide and hide. So we have them, then we go tools, options, expert advisors, allow, trade, one-click trade, activated, objects, not charts, 5,000, 5,000. Don't show trade levels. This was it from here on. Then we open a chart window and we drag the period here to have more space. This one. Then we go here with the right customize and rectangle, triangle and ellipse for our charts. So this was it here. We close it, and then the setup of our RMP suite, run as administrator, more information, run anyway, yes, English, and now we have to search the RoboForex number 8. I have a lot of installations. Maybe you have only one, and it's no problem. RoboForex number 8. Here it is. Okay, next, install. So here we are. I changed the name of the shortcut. RoboForex 8. Continue. So we started, and when we did everything fine, Now we have the expert advisors here. Here they are. There are two we may not need. So I take them out. These 4 files, delete. So expert advisors, refresh. The same can we do with the indicators. When we don't need them, file, open, indicators. All this stuff we will not need. And Heikin Ashi, zigzag. We will also not need all these indicators. If it's true, delete. So this is what we need, indicators. We can refresh. These are in our installation. So what we can do now, we can look. I have here my templates. I want to copy all these templates and put it in the templates folder. In the templates folder, there are some templates we will not need. I delete them. Please don't delete that ones. We need them. And I paste them. And what I also want to paste are my trading templates from the micro account. So I have them all afterwards. I can delete these ones, what I don't like to have. So here, copy and paste here. So now we are complete. Everything's here and we can go on start trading. We want to have a DAX blue-white template with our... Now this one will not allow you to trade after 11:30 o'clock. So we can adjust it here in inputs. You see, I make here 21, 30, and by adjusting it, you can start it now. You see, start program, because normally at this time we will not trade the DAX. Now when we close all trades, when we want to trade, for example, the Dow Jones, we will load our Dow blue-white next micro. And when we want to have this as default, we will save this template, save template as default. So every time when we open this Dow Jones, we will have our whole template. Eight times. So now I can close this window vertically and I can start trading by pressing. So I have 8 chart windows with 8 robots and I started to trade. Here I scale them so I can see it well. And when you watch here, this is one maximized, so we have 8 of them. So this was it with this video installation, setup and everything ready for trading. Thank you for watching. Yours, Uwe Gerd Krim.